In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add browser tab icon to Wix website. This is a simple change, but it makes a noticeable difference. The browser tab icon, often called a favicon, is the small image you see next to your website name in the browser. It helps your site look more polished, and it makes it easier for visitors to recognize your site when they have multiple tabs open. To get started, open your Wix site management area. First, go to your Wix dashboard. From here, you can access the settings that control how your website appears. If you have multiple sites, make sure you are in the correct dashboard for the website you want to update. Next, once you are in the Wix dashboard, click Settings. This is where Wix groups the options related to your site details and overall configuration. Take a moment to scan the settings page so you know you are in the right section before you start looking for the favicon option. Now that you are in Settings, you will want to find the specific feature for your browser tab icon. Search for favicon. In many Wix interfaces, using the search bar helps you jump straight to the correct setting without scrolling through many menus. Look for the option labeled favicon as you type, and click it when it appears. This is the place where you can upload the icon file you want to use. After you open the favicon settings, you will see an option to upload an image. Click Upload Image to begin. This step matters because the favicon must come from an image you provide, and Wix will use it for the browser tab icon display. You will then be prompted to choose an image file from your computer. Next, select your icon. Choose the file you want to use as your favicon, then confirm the selection so the upload can start. If the platform asks about the file type or size, use an appropriate icon image that matches what Wix accepts. After you select the file, wait for the upload to complete so you can be confident the new icon has been applied. Once the icon finishes uploading, the final step is to make sure the change is stored. Click Save. This ensures Wix applies the favicon you selected to your website settings. If you do not click Save, the update may not be applied, even if the upload appears successful. After saving, give Wix a moment to process the update. Then, you can check your website in a browser to see the icon in the tab. Sometimes browsers cache icons, so it can take a short time before you see the updated favicon. If you do not see it right away, try refreshing the tab or reopening the page. In many cases, the icon will appear after the next browser refresh, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to add a browser tab icon to your Wix website.